Hey y'all, it's Kathy Joe, and I have another video for you today. This is only one DIY, and it's because it's so long to do the project that I could only fit just the one in because they're still only allowing me 15 minutes. But if I get 17 more subscribers, I'll be able to make longer videos. So this is just part one, and I thank you for all my subscribers. I appreciate every one of you. God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends about it. And let's get on with the video. Okay, so I took two little wooden pieces that I had. I got these for free. And I'm gluing them down the center, and I'm going to glue a jumbo popsicle stick and a like medium-sized popsicle stick, craft stick, whatever y'all want to call it. But y'all can get those Dollar Tree signs at the same size, and you can use those, but I got this wood for free, so yeah, I'm gonna use it. It's free. What you gonna do? Okay, and I'm gonna take jumbo popsicle sticks, and I'm gonna put one on each side so the sign doesn't wobble. You don't want it in the middle wobbling around. Well, it doesn't really matter because it hangs on the wall, but unless you want it to lay down. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So I'm taking this spackling or whatever it is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to fill in my crack. And I'm taking my rotary sander. I'm going to sand it down real good after that dries. Now, sorry y'all, this only has one DIY in it, but my videos are limited to 15 minutes. I need 17 more subscribers before I can go longer. So I'm planning on trying to put another one out tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I have most of the crafts done. But this, what I'm doing, this buffalo check, it takes time. It takes a while. You gotta let it dry and all this mess. And I've been out of town, so sorry I'm late. I didn't get my video posted yesterday. So I'm taking the plaster chalk paint there, and I didn't want stark white, but I didn't want ivory. Now I forgot to show me putting the slimes down, or I lost the footage, but you put your first bit of tape down, and then you put a spacer piece, and then you put just another piece of tape, obviously, as your spacer piece, then another piece of tape down, and you paint it. Now I painted that in celery. Now I think right here I'm going to show you how you do the spacer piece. And there's my spacer piece. And then another piece of tape. Well, maybe not. And then you use that spacer piece all the way down the board. Now this second color here, I'm using, it's Aleen's or Eileen's, I don't know. And it's avocado. And you're going to want to give 2 coats to all of your paint. Excuse me, because you barely dabbed it. There I'm showing you the little spacer piece, but I didn't have it. Now, once you put your first bit, your second bit of tape down, when you put your, when you're going to do your fourth color, you leave that second bit of tape down. So you got 4 paints all together. I hope I'm not confusing you. So when you do the second stripes, when you're done, leave your tape down and put your tape back in the same spot you did the first time. And there it is. There's your buffalo. There's my dog Abby. She's trying to get up on my lap. Bless her heart, she drives me crazy. Anyway, so I took the white nautical rope, and I'm going to wrap it all around the edge of my little sign here. Excuse me. When I'm done, I just take it all around the edge, and I keep going with a piece all the way to the other side. But then I make sure I stabilize it in the back with a piece of, see, I don't know if you see up there in the corner, I cut craft sticks, and I stabilized the back there. So I'm using that orange sign and a plain sign and this little tiny sign here from the Dollar Tree. Trying to do this quick so I have enough time. And I cut the bottom off that because it came out of that little stand. I ripped the front off of it and I sanded it all really good. So I'm going to be using 3 pumpkins in total. You'll see here in a bit. So just cut that off and you just make you a little round shape. But use an old pair of scissors. So I painted the first one moss. I painted that one in plaster. And I'm just going to wrap jute twine around all of the stems. I know, I feel like normally I go 90 miles per hour, and this time it's mandatory for me to go 90 miles per hour. Sorry, my allergies again acting up. So just right, I wanted that to like kind of droop down a little bit, and that's why I'm showing you I'm gluing it in the front. And just glue it all the way around to the very end. And there's my sign. Now I printed that blessings out on my Cricut, and those little leaves I got from other pieces of stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I spray painted them silver.